So now we'll continue and do the circular array for the light bulbs. So the first one, the easy one here, is the inner circle. We'll do a construction line, we'll place our light bulb, and then we'll array it round in the circular pattern. So first of all, to do a construction line, a circle, our center point was down here, and the radius of that circle, we can't see it, we'll just 110 radius, righto. So there's our construction line, and what we need to do is to place the light bulb that is a 0.5, so that's that guy there. We'll move this one, pick it up at its center, place that on our quadrant there, and we're ready to do the array. Now we'll pull down the array option here to show a polar array. Once again, select the objects, and the center point will be the center of our circle, and it brings up our panel at the top, ribbon at the top, which used to be called a dialog box. Now the number of light bulbs we need, we'll just count those up: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we're going to have to change this to a polar array. We want 12 items, and they are going to fill 360 degrees. So we've got the option of either specifying a distance between, an angle between, or to fill 360 degrees. So that should create what we want. Close the array. So that's the first step. Now we have another step which I won't do in this video, but what we would do is put our construction line in, and I'd suggest that we place the 0.4 scaled bulb at the top, and then rotate that around. We can calculate what angle that is we have to rotate it around, and then having placed our starting one, we can then array that in a similar way to what we just did with the first array. Okay.